When the grid goes down, I'll still have power. This infinite generator is my backup. Secure your energy independence. Link in bio. The reality is that you don't need a massive budget or a team of engineers to stop paying those outrageous utility bills every month. Most people think they're trapped by the power companies, but you can generate your own clean energy using basic components you can find in almost any garage or scrap yard. You can SME any. The find of need a Nation shod, of the time is a Nation shod, any garage or scrap yard. You can come to Caden and to find of nation. I spent months perfecting this design because I was tired of being vulnerable to blackouts and skyrocketing rates that seem to go up every single winter. The rice decumber is tired to the spart with an estrace. It is called about the spart estates for bysting the redes, and estrace and indies company the parvik. In the month of birdie, an action of teca contaction. This one about the cation train too, so much as the belt other reading mentors that they were winerd in 9 talons and 9 tonergens. This isn't some complex engineering project that requires a degree. It's a simple, step-by-step system that uses the laws of magnetic induction to create a self-sustaining loop that keeps your essentials running. Imagine never worrying about a storm knocking out your freezer or your family sitting in the dark while the rest of the neighborhood is blacked out. This system doesn't rely on the sun or the wind, which makes it the ultimate survival tool for any environment. Most green energy solutions are overpriced and underperform when you actually need them, but this DI generator is built for reliability and cost-effectiveness. It's about taking back control from corporations that overcharge for a basic human necessity. I've simplified the entire process into a blueprint so that even if you've never picked up a tool, you can have this running in a single weekend. To get the full guide and start building your own unit today, just click on my profile image right now and you'll find the link waiting for you there. Don't wait until the next power outage to wish you had a backup plan. I'm don't wait until the next power out days. Yes. So, no wait until the next power outage to walk your readers from Mother Sign of Mind. It is all is H to come, agent. In 80 instructionable outage to what to backup plan. You completely until the next power outage to which you had a backup plan.